Alright, boys, fucking did it again, back to back. This is based around a trade I took this morning on GJ through the Asian session. So it is a winning trade, and this is a bit of a different style. I've got a bit of a different style trading this week, and I really want to have my main focus as futures trading. However, through the day, obviously in Australia, the New York session isn't opening till about 12:30 at night. So through the day, I'm going to be trading Forex. Through the day, I'm going to be trading Forex regardless, and I'm just not going to take it as serious. I'm sort of just doing it to collect data, and I'll still upload my regular trade recaps, but it'll be more of a forward testing style rather than I actually took this trade and gained this percent of my account. But anyway, quarter winning trade this morning. My second take profit just got smacked, so I will show you boys exactly why I took it and what I'm doing. I'll show you exactly what I've been doing. Alright, so this is my trade that I'm in right now. So entered 3 positions down here. TP1 smacked, TP2 just got hit, and I'm leaving a bit of a runner. Still got this stop loss at break even. I'm not even going to bother moving that. But coming to market open today, actually I'll start on daily time frame because this is exactly where I got my bias from. So last week's movement, we were heavily bearish, and I mean this whole movement here that we made last week was very super bearish. I'm actually going to quickly turn this shit off. Fuck. There you go, so you can see that a bit better. But yeah, like I said, very bearish last week, and on a weekly time frame I'm also expecting another big bearish week. However, usually before we make another big bearish movement, we're gonna get a retracement on a relatively high time frame. So looking at this on a 4-hour, we have recently swept out this daily low right here, and we have had a decently bullish movement off. So for me, today was about looking for some sort of retracement, and I was happy to take along. And so through Asian session this morning, we pretty much opened 10 o'clock here. So we opened with this candlestick here, and we have swept out this low right here. So we had an hourly liquidity sweep. It was followed by a bullish movement on the we followed it up with a 15-minute breakup structure, and that was my confirmation confluence for the day. So hourly liquidity sweep, 15-minute break structure right here, and after we get this equilibrium retracement, I mean, I was looking for buys. So even though on a daily time frame and overall for the week my goal was to be looking for bears, I'm happy to take it along today because I know that we need to retrace to make that happen. And so I think in Forex trading you have to be able to switch up your bias. You have to be able to deal with that change in your strategy and just sort of accommodate for price action, because it's not as simple as futures where you see an hourly liquidity sweep and you know price is pretty much guaranteed to go in that other direction. With Forex, you have to break it down because it is a high time frame play, and that's just what works for me. But anyways, we found this little trade here this morning. So had 15-minute breakup structure. That's my 15-minute confirmation. We then have a 15-minute equilibrium retracement, and I entered longs off of this 5-minute candle closure here. We had a 5-minute inverse fair value gap, and that for me confirms that we are changing in the other direction, and we also got a closure outside of a 15-minute equilibrium. That to me, 2 confirmation confluences that we're going to keep moving upwards, and that is my long entry. I placed stops underneath this 5-minute fair value gap that we're sitting inside. I placed longs, my stops underneath that base candle. I didn't target any hourly highs on my first, obviously first take profit for a 4 risk to reward, just not ideal. So I took a TP1 at this 15-minute high. I could very well have taken a 1-to-1 down here, but I figured I'd let it play out. 2.7 risk to reward there, and this second take profit was pretty much a 1 to 4, and my last take profit is all the way up here for a 1 to 5. So that was my trade for the day. Hourly liquidity sweep, 15-minute break of structure, 15-minute retrace followed by a 5-minute reaction. All confluence is smacked, and as seen, Forex has actually moved really damn nicely today. So I've got stops at break even. I've already secured about 4% worth of profits for this trade. I didn't enter my usual position of 2%. I think I had about 1.5. Just because it's an Asian session. Asian session quite often just doesn't get the same movement as you would in a London or a New York. But as seen today, smack work. So really good trade to open up the week. But like I said, Forex isn't my main focus for this week. I really want to see what I can put on the future charts. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Coming into the week, we've actually got really good news for trading. We do have FOMC on Friday, so that'll be a big thing to lock out for. I probably won't trade Thursday or Friday just because we have PMI as well as FOMC the next day. However, today's fine, tomorrow's fine, and then it's fine trading. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday should be good trading. So I'll keep you boys posted. You'll keep seeing these trade recaps come out. And yeah, thank you for watching. Peace out. And as always, appreciate the support. Love you.